The official United States death toll from COVID-19, 200,000. We met the heartbreaking statistic today. The nation has 4% of the global population, but now accounting for more than 20% of the world's COVID deaths.
The idea of 200,000 deaths is really very sobering and in some respects stunning.
200,000 is more than the number of Americans who died in World War I, the Korean and Vietnam Wars, and on 9/11 combined. The nation's top infectious disease specialist fears the worst is yet to come as we head indoors during the fall and winter months.
We are entering into a risk period.
And city officials announcing this morning they're concerned about an uptick in 6 neighborhoods: Williamsburg, Kew Gardens, Far Rockaway, and in South Brooklyn, Borough Park, Midwood, and Bensonhurst, an area they're calling the Ocean Parkway cluster.
We're watching the indicators like hawks, both citywide as well as at the neighborhood level. We're now seeing signals that COVID is faster and wider than the rest of the city.
There will be a targeted approach and outreach to those communities, including added testing resources, PPE distribution, roving sound trucks sending out messages on the streets, and this, robocalls.
COVID-19 cases are on the rise in your neighborhood. Please help protect your loved ones and your community.
Also today, the CDC upending yet another tradition, the latest, Halloween, now listing door-to-door trick-or-treating as a high-risk activity, recommending that families instead consider virtual Halloween parties. Mayor de Blasio this morning also targeting big get-togethers.
Large indoor gatherings are not acceptable. There are clear rules from the state on this. Large gatherings are still a problem, both legally and in terms of the health problem they create.
And also tonight, we have learned that the NFL has fined 3 different head coaches $100,000 each for not wearing a mask on the sidelines. Their respective teams getting slapped with a $250,000 fine each. Live in Williamsburg tonight, I'm Shirley Chan, Pix 11 News.